if humans were Earth, it's just my own question to you guys to consider what it would be if you thought humans were Earth. Earth is your brother, Earth is your sister, Earth is your son, your daughter, your best friend, your co-buddy, your gym partner. Earth is you, as a matter of fact. How would you treat you? And so it's also about shock. I'm also exploring shock. On a Friday morning when people are going to work, nobody's expecting to see someone dressed in trash, right? So, and nobody is expecting to see, as a matter of fact, a performance on the street on a Friday morning. And if we come from Earth and we come to Earth, then it means that we are Earth.
In order to stop this one, you tell them to make available of another one so that they can stop this one.
No break, no jam, no sense. Joro, jara, joro. Tell him to go kill. Joro, jara, joro. No break, no jam, no sense. Joro, jara.
For me, amazing. And it's also telling me, as an artist, as a human, and as a person to myself, wow, I should devote my time and be committed to changing the narrative that we currently have.
Go and quench. Go and kill.